Hi everyone, I am Dilshan from Java Institute. Today I am talking about how to use web listener, and this is a final video of the I am doing it in the web component development part 1. Okay, we can move on slides. What is web servlet listener? A servlet listener is servlet method or function that waits for an event or occurs. Web listeners are classes that listen for the specified type of event and activities functionalities when that event call. A web listener for events in web container, example creating a session, inserting an attribute into the session or active to the contains that kind of session. And also web servlet listening for events and web container. Example your create session into the attribute and passive and deactivate and active in the another contain. The servlet contain generate event trigger action with the listening class. To subscribe to these events and configure the listeners in web XML or annotation base. Mainly have 8 web events data. Servlet request listener, servlet attribute listener, servlet context attribute listener, SCQF session listener and session attribute listener, session blind listener and session activation listener. There are some listeners and already you can research further more information. Some web events classes. There are few classes. It's a 6 classes. There are 6 classes. Servlet request events. There are some, the servlet events classes represent the servlet request lifecycle events. Web applications. You can see what are they done for it of the servlet request. You can see the servlet request service method, or you can see how they any kind of function works. You can see some event we can see. Okay, other things all things for their type is already servlet context already. There have some features you can see event wise. Okay, I will explain in I think that's no need for explain. I will see some example. One example for listener. So there is context attribute listener. Okay, and there is some override method. Okay, you can see and watch context attribute listener events. There is some events. Okay, these events is mainly using the attribute added, attribute remove, attribute replace. We can see when it is attribute added time and when it is attribute remove time and when it is attribute replace time. That is a listener do something else. We have to do something else. there is no add time or something about that feature, you can override the method. They are typing something. Something else is a attribute replace time. You can call this attribute reply. There is something called in our file server or something else, something work. Others have to be same. Whether there is convert context listener, context normal listener, there is context destroy, context initialize. That first time initialize. We have to do something else. We can override this method, then we have to bring it up what to do. There is method. I think what can can think about that, and I think everyone should do that kind of practices for exam. And especially this annotation is very complicated annotation, because this annotation is must need. The web servlet web listener annotation is must need, because how to think about this implementation is web listener. That's identify this servlet, this web listener, the annotate by this annotation. This annotation is must need, rather than web.xml we can continue. Okay. I think that's it for the web listeners question. I think you have to research some web listeners, because there are so many. They normally have only 8 listeners. Previously I called, you can use every listener's example, but I'm not going to the explain every each and every listener. Okay. Okay. I going to the wind up this session. Thank you all of you for watching in entire web component development with part 1 series. I will bring it up web component development part 2 video series in the next week. I will bring it up. Okay. Everyone, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.